Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart OPPO A5m. Alright, so we have actually two methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is a simple reboot from the power menu. And first we need to open up the power menu, and we do it by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time. And that's how we launch the power menu, just like that. And now all we need to do is to simply drag this white ball into the restart, into the upper side. Now release your finger, then your device will be turned off, then turned on again, and it will be ready to use. But the second method is called the forced restart, and it's recommended, for example, when our phone is lagging, when it's frozen, and it's basically when it's not working properly, and when we cannot perform any action. So to do it, we need to again use the two button combination, but this time we need to hold the power button and volume up button until the device will be turned off. So let me show you that. Simply hold both of the buttons. We need to keep on holding for a few seconds. Okay, the screen went black. Let's wait a few seconds, and when the phone vibrates, we can release our finger, and now the OPPO logo appears. And just like in the first method, we need to wait until our device will be turned on again. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.